Good day, panelists. My name is Joycel B. Rivera from BTB TED 2. Allow me to start. Everybody stand. Hannah, kindly lead the prayer. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, kindly pick up the pieces of papers under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. If you are done, you may take your seat. Miss Secretary, do we have any absentees today? Very good! Since all of you are present today, give yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last meeting, did I give you an assignment? Before we proceed to our next discussion, let us first review our last topic. So, what was our last topic last meeting? Yes, Annie? Very good! What are the 3 clusters under personal entrepreneurial characteristic? Yes, Dina? Exactly. Do you have any questions or clarifications regarding our last topic? Since you do not have any question, we will be having an activity. And this activity will be called What Tool Am I? Speed Sprint. Are you all familiar with that? Here is our mechanics. I will divide the class into 4 groups. And each group will form a circle and choose their leader. Each group must provide one mobile phone with mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. The teacher will serve as the host and share a 6 or 7-digit game code. Each group must visit play.bluecat.com and enter the game code provided by me. The group leader must enter the name as their nickname. After joining, each group will wait in the lobby and select their look or character until the host starts the game. The groups who reach the finish line first, after answering the wordplay riddle and guessing the picture in 2 minutes, will be the winner. So, first, I am going to show you what is the how you can go to website and how you can join to the game. First, I will select the host now. Then, this will be your game code. After that, you will search the play.bluecat.com and enter the code. The code is 991023. Then, select the arrow. After that, you will select name. You will choose, for example, group 1. Then, select the arrow. Now, you will choose your blue cat or the character. Because this is cute, I choose this. Okay. Then, the host will start the game if the players are all there. Now, you only need to do is wait the time and answer the wordplay riddle and with the feature here. You only select one correct answer. For example, I will choose this as lint-free cloth and my answer is correct. You will do that in 2 minutes and the group who wins in 2 minutes will be the winner. Do you understand, class? Okay, begin counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start. You may now proceed to your respective groups. Okay, time's up. Since the group 2 wins the game, let's give them magaling mahusay clap. Are you all familiar with that? Okay, I show it first to you and let's do it together after. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Magaling, mahusay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Magaling, mahusay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, based on the activity that we did, what do you think is the relationship of different tools in the game in protection of our computer? Yes, Annie? Very good. So today, we are going to discuss the hand tools used in computer system. But before we proceed to our discussion, here is our objectives that will serve as our guide for the whole discussion. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to, everybody please read. Okay, thank you. Now, let's move on to our discussion. First, we are going to discuss the Computer System Servicing or CSS. Leia, please read. Okay, thank you. Now that you have knowledge about what is Computer System Servicing or CSS, we can continue to our discussion. Tools are very important in performing computer system servicing. So today, we are going to discuss different hand tools. But first, what is your idea about tools? Yes, Mika? Very good. Tools is very important to make our work easier and faster. Now that we are going to move on to hardware tools, and this is grouped into 4 categories. The first is electro discharge ESD tools. The second one is the hand tools. The third one is cleaning tools, and the last one is diagnostic tools. But before that, we are going to discuss first the electrostatic discharge tools. Dina, please read. Okay, thank you. Electrostatic discharge tools help us to prevent static electricity to the computer components. Now, we are going to discuss the different types of ESD tools. Who can guess what the picture is? Anyone? Yes, Babylin? Very good. This is called anti-static wrist strap. What do you think is the function of anti-static wrist strap? Yes, Janelle? Very good. Anti-static wrist strap is a strap used to ground our body and from damaging the computer. And the next one is, what do you think is the picture is? Yes? Jonard? Very good. The second one is what we called anti-static mat. When we say anti-static mat, it is a mat that used to prevent the static electricity from devices or tools. Okay, let's move on to hand tools. But before that, what is your idea about hand tools? Yes? Dina? Very good. Hand tools is very important to make our work easier. And this is only using by hands. Now, let's move on to different types of hand tools. The first one is, what do you think is that? What do you think is this picture? Okay, very good. This is called flathead screwdriver. What do you think is the function of flathead screwdriver? Anyone? Yes, Leia? Very good. Flathead screwdriver is used to loosen or tighten slotted screw. Now, the next one is, what do you think is the picture is? Very good. The next one is called Phillips head screwdriver. The difference between Phillips and flathead screwdriver, Phillips is used in cross screw. Okay, the third one is, what do you think is this? Very good. This third one is wire cutter. What do you think is the function of wire cutter? Yes, Mika? Exactly. Wire cutter is used to strip or cut wires. And the last hand tools is what? Yes, Annie? Very good. This last hand tools is called tweezer. What do you think is the function of tweezer? Yes, Hannah? Very good. Tweezer is used to manipulate small parts of the computer. Now that we are done to the second hardware tools, we will be move on to the third one. But first, what do you think? What is your idea about cleaning tools? Yes, Mika? Very good. Cleaning tools make our things clean and more presentable to use. Now, the first one cleaning tools is, what do you think is the picture? Yes, Dina? Exactly. This is called lint-free cloth. What do you think is the functions of lint-free cloth? Yes, baby Lynn? Exactly. Lint-free cloth. Lint-free cloth is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving the debris. And the second one, what do you think is this? Yes, Mika? Very good. This is called compressed air. What do you think is the function of compressed air? Yes, Lance? Exactly. Compressed air is used to clean the dust without touching the computer. And the last one, but not the least, is what? Cleaning tools. Yes, baby Lynn? Okay, this is called cable tie. What do you think is the function of cable tie? Yes, Janelle? Very good. Cable tie is used to bundle cables neatly with inside or outside the computer. Now that we are done to cleaning tools, let's move on to the last hardware tools. And this is called diagnostic tools. What do you think is the importance of diagnostic tools? Yes, Mika? Very good. Diagnostic tools help us to monitor the computer and the internet connection. And the first one, what do you think is this picture? Yes, Lance? Very good. This is called multi-tester. What do you think is the function of multi-tester? Yes, Dina? Exactly. Multi-tester is used to test the integrity of the circuits and the quality of the electricity in the computer. Now, what is the second one? What do you think is the picture is? Very good. This is called the LAN tester. What do you think is the function of LAN tester? Yes, Princess? Very good. LAN tester is used to monitor the internet connection. Now that we are done in our discussion, do you have any questions or clarification regarding our topic? Since you do not have any question, we will be having another activity. And this activity will be called Tool Playbook Creative Strategies for Safe Servicing. And this is the mechanics for our activity. You will be divided into 3 groups And each group will choose different hand tools that I discuss. And you are going to demonstrate the importance of proper use of them in your chosen track. Thus, through creative performance. For example, song, poem, role play, tableau, and etc. Remember that you only have 2 minutes to prepare and 2 minutes to perform each group. Do you understand, class? Okay, begin counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you may, but before you go to your respective groups, here is our mechanics of the, or the criteria of the activity. For the criteria, I will give you the 3 for excellent, 2 for proficient, and 1 for adequate. And the criteria is accuracy of technique, the teamwork and cooperation, time management, and clarity of presentation. Do you understand, class? Okay, you may now proceed to your respective groups. Put on your shoes, it's a brand new day. Okay, time's up. You may now go back to your proper seat, and the group 1 should come here in front and present your performance. Okay, group 1, very good. Since the group 1 did a great job, let's give them amazing clap. Are you all familiar with amazing clap? Okay, I show it to you and let's do it together after. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Okay, the second group should present in front. Very good, group 2. Since you did a great job too, let's give them fantastic clap. Are you all familiar with fantastic clap? Okay, I show it first to you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Okay. And for the last group, come here in front. Very good, group 3. For your performance, let's give them ang galing clap. Are you all familiar with ang galing clap? Okay, I do it first and you do it together. And let's do it together after. Okay, 1, 2. Ang galing. 1, 2. Ang galing. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing, galing. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2. Ang galing. 1, 2. Ang galing. 1, 2. Ang galing, galing. Okay. Since you all of you did a great job, here is your score. For group 1, I give you 10 points. For group 2, I give you 12 points. And for group 3, I give you 11 points. But since all of you give your effort and time for doing the activity, let's give yourself a winner clap. Are you all familiar with winner clap? Okay, I do it first and you will do it after me. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. Winner! Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, clap, clap, clap. Winner! Okay. Today we discussed about the different hand tools used in computer system servicing. So again, what are the 4 hardware tools under the computer system servicing. Yes, Hannah? Very good. So, who can give one example of hand tools? Yes, Dina? Another one? Another one? Very good. So now that you understand the different hand tools used in computer system servicing, what do you think is the importance of different hand tools in performing and protection of our computer? Yes, Leia? Another one who wants to answer? Yes, Dina? Very good. Now that you understand our topic today, do you have any questions or clarifications regarding our last topic? Since you do not have any question, we are going to evaluation. And you need to keep all your things inside your bag and get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the question. But before that, remember that you should name your papers with your program. For number 1, are you done, class? Number 2, are you done, class? For number 3, are you done, class? For number 4, are you done, class? And for the last number, very good. Now exchange your paper with your seatmate and write check by. And I will show the answer for your test. Time's up. Now bring your papers. Give your papers forward. And here your score. I will read your score twice and you should listen to me. And Dina got 3, Leia got 5, Bernard got 4, Annie got 3, Hannah got 4, and Miss Mika got perfect score. Okay, since all of you got the highest score, give yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, before we goodbye to each other, get your notebook and copy your assignment. Are you done, class? Okay, please read your assignment, Miss Leia. Very good. Another one, Miss Mika. Very good. Do you understand, class? Everybody stand. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay, no!